Hello, my name is Crippling Depression, and I have another toy review. But, yeah, let's just get right into the review. Okay, first off we have, it's a Marshall minifigure from, Paw Patrol.
And his name is Donald Trump!
I think there's a cat in Paw Patrol. It implicates that they all have paws.
When we come to see, then
I honestly don't know how to feel about this.
kill you.
Well,
Oh,
that's actually
such a
really
good job,
good.
sweetie.
I'm
You've
proud
never
of you
been more
for
proud of
doing
me.
that
What is
thing.
going on? What am I saying?
Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You're still alive?
Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be, Steven?
Listen, I've seen things that I can't unsee, no matter how hard I try. Mom, Dad, you have to believe me.
Look, sweetie, I know things can get hard sometimes, but there's no possible way that that's happening.
Yeah, but what about the dream about Jessica Schuyler? That actually happened, though. Son, it's just a coincidence. You need to calm down. And how am I supposed to do that if no one's willing to listen? Hey, you need to chill out with that tone. Whatever, Dad, I'm leaving. Just watch out for any boys at school. They're not what you think. It's happening already. What's wrong? What could possibly be wrong? Anything. Sign for anything. Come on. The lizard. What is that? Anomaly. Lizards. No. Anomaly. Cockroach. Can't already be happening. Okay. Listen, where'd it go? Where's the anomaly at? Where'd it go? What's even going on? What the... It moved. Where'd it go? Where is it? Where could it be? Where? Oh my, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where could it be? Where could it be? Where? They're calling. I can hear them. 6, 7, 8. I can hear them. They want out. Where is it? Where? Oh. 9. The frick was that?